Good evening, guys. Good evening. Welcome back with the fourth and last puzzle. The fourth and last puzzle in this additional of today's newspaper on Friday, March the 5th, 2023. I've already solved 3 puzzles: the 3 stars, the 4 stars, Sudoku, and the binary. So 1 puzzle is left. The Tectonic with 4 stars. Yeah, Tectonic with 4 stars. In Dutch, they call it cyber block. In Japanese, Suguru. And this will be number 6059. Yeah, 6059. Before I start, I always count the printed digits. Well, this one, 15 printed digits. Should be an easy one, because the hard ones has always 8, 9, or 10 printed digits. This one has 15, but it's indicated with 4 stars. And for 4 stars puzzle, I need 30 minutes or more to solve. 30 minutes or more. This is really a 4 stars. We don't know. We will see. So let's get started. Let me see. First question to you is, can we see here the single box? Because the single box or boxes is always a 1. Here I see only 1 single box. Always a 1. More single boxes. Let me check. No, only 1. Then the following question, do we have here dual boxes? I see here dual box contains the 1 and the 2. Well, I do not know in which order. Let me mark those 2 boxes here also. 1 and the 2. Let me mark those. Need more information? Insufficient information right now. Triple boxes then. Do we have triple boxes in this puzzle? Let me check. Here, only 1 triple box contains the 1, the 2, and the 3. Well, I cannot fill those numbers. I need more information. But when you see a triple box, remember that the box near the middle box, this is the middle box, the inside box, is always 4 or a 5. 4 or a 5. Alright. Next question. Quadra boxes. Do we have quadra boxes in this puzzle? Let me check for quadra boxes. No quadra boxes. Well, then the following strategy is to recognize some shapes, some figures, structures, or constructions. For example, here we have an L shape. Let me draw this L shape. No, let me draw this L shape. This L shape. Yeah, let me draw this L shape. Let me see. When you see the L shape, remember that this box has the same number as that box. Well, in this case, should be a 4 then. Yeah. Alright, it's a 4. So this box has the same number as that box. Alright. Here another L shape. So this box has the same number as that box. Here also L shape, same numbers. Okay. More L shapes. Here another L shape. This box is rotated. Has the same number as that box. This L shape. Okay. More L shapes. No. Then the following shape. How about this shape? Let me draw this shape here. When you see this kind of shape, remember that this box has the same number as that box. So this box has the same number as that box. Alright. More of these kind of shapes? I believe no. How about this shape? Let me draw this shape here then. When you see this kind of shape, remember that this box has the same number as that box. So this box has the same number as that box. Here another one, mirrored. This box has the same number as that box. Do we have more? No. Then the following shape, how about the T shape? Let me draw the T shape here. When you see the T shape, remember that this box has the same number as that box. So this box has the same number as that box. But also that box has the same number as this box. So in this case, it's a 1 or a 2. 1 or a 2. Alright, so this box has the same number as that box. Alright, only one T shape in this puzzle. Then the following shape, figure, structure, or construction, what you need to recognize is, this shape. Let me draw the shape here. When you see this kind of shape, remember that this box has the same number as that box. So this box has the same number as that box. Do we have more of these kind of shapes in this puzzle? Yeah, rotate it. This box has the same number as that box. And here another one. This box has the same number as that box. And those are the shapes that you need to recognize in this puzzle. Yeah. We have here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 shapes, figures, structures, or constructions. Maximum 6, I believe. One shape, the Z or the S construction is missing here. Yeah. But in this puzzle, we have only 5 shapes, figures, structures, or constructions that you need to recognize. And the question is why you need to recognize those shapes. Well, then the following step, it's easy for filling those numbers. So let's get started filling those numbers. These 3 boxes surround a 2, can be a 2. So 1 box left for the 2 in this L-shaped area should be there. Then this box can be a 1, but also those 2 boxes can be a 1 because we have a double 1 there. If I place a 1 here, I cannot fill any 1 in one of those 2 boxes. So 1 box left for the 1 in this L-shaped area should be there. These 2 boxes can be a 2 because we have a double 2 there. If I place a 2 here or there, I cannot fill any 2 in one of those 2 boxes. So 1 box left for the 2 in this L-shaped area should be there. And this box is connected with that box, should be also a 2. Okay. Then these 2 boxes can be a 5. So the 5 could be here, could be there. 2 numbers left in this L-shaped area for numbers 3 and the 5, 3 and 5. Well, I cannot place the 5 there because we have a double 5 there. If I place a 5 here, I cannot fill any 5 in one of those 2 boxes. So this box should be definitely a 3 and that box should be a 5. Alright. Okay, this box can be a 1, so the 1 could be here, could be there. Let me see. Yeah. These 2 boxes can be a 3. That box can be a 3. So 1 box left for the 3 in this T-shaped area should be there. And this box is connected with that box, should be also a 3. Alright. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 1 and 4. Well, I cannot place the 1 there because we have a double 1 there. If I place a 1 here, I cannot fill any 1 in one of those 2 boxes. So this box should be a 4 and that box should be a 1. These 2 boxes can be 1. These 2 boxes can be 5. So the 1 and 5 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. 1 and 5, 1 and 5. So the other 2 numbers in this area should be the 2 and the 4. 2 and 4, 2 and 4. Alright. This box can be a 1. That box can be a 1. So 1 box left for the 1 in this area should be there. Two numbers left for numbers 2 and 4, 2 and 4, and is connected with that box should be also 2 and 4. Then these two boxes can be a 1, so the 1 could be here, could be there. These two boxes can be 3, that box can be a 3, so 3 could be here, could be there. Well. Let me think. This box can be a 5 because we have a double 5 there. If I place a 5 here, I can fill any 5 in one of those two boxes. So this box can be 5, but also that box can be a 5. So the 5 could be here, could be there. Okay. 5, 3. Need to go up here. This box can be a 1 because we have a double 1 there. This box can be a 4 because we have a 4 there. So the 1 and 4 goes in those two boxes as a pair. 1 and 4, 1 and 4. So 1 digit left in this area for number 2. This box is connected with that box, so it's a 1 on a 4. But we already have a 4, so it can't be a 4 anymore. This box should be a 1. Is connected with that box, should be also 1. Of course, this is a triple box. Cannot contain a 4. So 1 digit left in this area for number 4. So 2 numbers left in this triple box for numbers 2 and 3, 2 and 3. Alright. That means that those two boxes can be a 3. We have a double 3 there. These two boxes can be 3, so 1 box left for the 3 in this area should be there. And is connected with that box, should be also 3. And this box is also connected with that box, should be also a 3. Alright. This box can be a 3, so 3 could be here, could be there. Yeah. This box can be a 3 because we have a double 3 there. If I place a 3 here, I can fill any 3 in one of those two boxes. This box can also not be a 3. So 1 box left for the 3 in this L-shaped area should be there. So 2 numbers left, the 1 and the 5, 1 and the 5. That means that this box can be 5 anymore. We have a double 5 there. If I place a 5 here, I can fill any 5 in one of those two boxes. So it's not supposed to place the 5 there. The 5 is supposed to be here. And this box can be a 1. We have a double 1 there. If I place a 1 here, I can fill any 1 in one of those two boxes. So the 1 could be here, could be there. Okay. This box can be a 2. So the 2, we have a pair in this T-shaped area. The 1 and 2, 1 and 2. So 1 digit left in this T-shaped area for number 4. Alright. That means that we have a double 2 there. That means that this box can't be a 2 anymore. If I place a 2 here, I can fill any 2 in one of those two boxes. So the 2 should be here and the 4 goes and there. Then. Let me see. Well, I think this box should be 2 because it can be 1. Should be 2. Can be 3 in the same area. Can be 4, can be 5, yeah, definitely 2. That means that those 3 boxes surround the 2 can be 2. So the 2 could be here, could be there. This box can be 1, can be 2, can be 3. I think it should be 4. Can be 5. We have a double 5 there. Okay, yeah. Should be a 4, is connected with that box, should be also 4. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 1 and the 5. We have a 1 there, no 1 there. 1 should be here and a 5 goes there. Now we have a 5 there, so this box can be 5 anymore. That box should be a 5. And this box should be a 1. 1 and a 2, we have a 1 now, so no 1 there. 1 should be here and a 2 goes there. And this box is connected with that box, should be a 2. 1 box left in this dual box for number 1. 5 and a 1, we have a 1 now, so no 1 there. 1 should be here and a 5 goes there. These two boxes can be 5, so 1 box left for the 5 in this L-shaped area should be there, and this box is connected with that box, should be also a 5. 2 numbers left in this L-shaped area for the numbers 3 and a 1, 3 and a 1. We have a 1 there, no 1 there. 1 should be here, and the 3 goes there. Two numbers left in this L-shaped area for numbers 1 and 4. We have a 1 there, no 1 there. 1 should be here, and 4 goes in there. And this box is connected with that box. Should be also a... Oh, almost made a mistake. It's a 1. It's a 1, it's a 1. Not a 4. Okay. Should be a 1. Yeah. Okay. This box can be a 5. So the 5 could be here, could be there. These two boxes can be a 1. So the 1 could be here, could be there. We see another 1 here. So the only place left for the 1 should be here. Yeah, these two boxes can be 1. So I've eliminated the 3, so the 3 goes there. Now we have 3 there, so this box can be 3 anymore. That box should be a 3, and this box should be a 2. This box can be a 2, so the 2 goes together with the 5 as a pair. So 1 digit left in this area for number 4. We have a double 2 there. That means that this box can be 2 anymore. If I place a 2 here, I cannot fill any 2 in one of those two boxes. So the 2 should be here, and the 1 goes there. These two boxes can be 2, so 1 box left for the 2 should be here. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 4 and 5. 4 and a 5, okay. Let me see. Well, yeah, 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 2 and a 5. 2 and a 5. This box can be a 5. So the 5 could be here, could be there. Well, these two boxes can be 4. And these two boxes can be a 1. So the 1 and the 4 goes in those two boxes as a pair. 1 and 4, 1 and 4. We have a 1 there, no 1 there. 1 should be here and a 4 goes there. So 2 numbers left, the 2 and a 5. Let me mark those. 2 and a 5, okay. Here also 2 and a 5. Let me see. Well, this box can be a 5. That box can be a 5 because we have a double 5 there. So the 5 could be here, could be there. Yeah. Well, I think this box should be a 4 because it can be a 1, can be 2, can be 3. Should be a 4, can be a 5. We have a double 5 there. Yeah, definitely 4. Now we have 4 there, so this box can be 4 anymore. That box should be a 4, and this box should be a 5. Well, I've marked those two boxes earlier with a 5. Now we have a 5 here, so this box can be 5 anymore. That box should be a 5. Now we have a 5 here, so this box can be 5 anymore. That box should be a 5. And this box should be a 2. Now we have a 5 there, so this box can be 5 anymore. That box should be a 5. And this box should be a 2. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 1 and 2. 1 and 2. We have a 2 there, no 2 there. 2 should be here, and 1 goes there. Now we have a 2 there, so this box can be 2 anymore. That box should be 2. And this box should be a 5. 2 and a 4. We have a 2 now, so no 2 there. 2 should be here, and 4 goes there. And this box is connected with that box, should be also a 2. Alright. I think this box should be 5 because it can be 1, can be 2, can be 3, can be 4. Yes, definitely 5. And the final 2 numbers in this area for numbers 3 and 4. We have a 4 there, no 4 there. 4 should be here, and a 3 goes there. Finish in 18 minutes. Wow, 18 minutes. Is this a 4 stars? No. Definitely no. 3 stars, no. Let me give this a 2 stars. And I like this very much. Oh, my pencil is empty now. The 5 here. Okay. We solve it again, and I like this one. Yes, I really do think so. Thumbs up, otherwise thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching, and have a great and fantastic Friday. Until then, no, we will meet again tomorrow. Yeah, it's weekend. Tomorrow it's Saturday. So until then, bye bye for now.